Hey you guys, okay, so welcome back to my channel. Before we do anything else, we're gonna play the intro. Okay, so I'm still barely awake. I know I don't look like it, but literally all I did was wake up and come straight downstairs and put on this makeup. So I'm still a little half asleep. So if I don't make sense, just ignore me. Today we're filming a wear test Wednesday. So it is actually January 12th. So it's Saturday. It is a community day for Pokemon Go. So I'm gonna be in Texarkana playing Pokemon Go with my mommy and probably my brother. So that's that. What we have got today, I am super excited about. I've been wanting to test this forever. I'm really hoping it can stand up to a good test. I've heard this is almost comparable to lip sense, but without all the scary and the horrible smell. So we have got the Beauty Bakerie Lip Whip. Comes in this package. Slide it out. Absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of swirled, blue cap. I have the color Cranberry, which should be a nice dark red so that we can see any fading. But this is what it looks like. This is my first time even opening it. Well, I opened it to smell it, which it smells, I'm a little stopped up, but it doesn't smell bad. It's got a scent to it, but I can't really call it. It's got one of these little triangular doe foots that has the circle in the middle of it. So those are always fun. Did not come with a lip liner, so we won't be using one. I am trying to hurry up and get to my mommy's. Ignore my cracked lips. If it messes up right here, we're not going to blame that on the lippy because that is my fault. It is dry outside. My lips are the only part of me that get dry. I have oily skin, but dry lips. So that's a disaster, but it'll be fine. We're going to shut up and put this on. Okay, we got it on. It's a teeny bit crooked. I might go fix that in a second. But we have got this on. It feels a little sticky, but it's not dried down yet. So we're gonna give it a minute. This is supposed to be so good. Let me zoom out. That you literally have to buy their remover to get it off. We gonna see because I didn't buy the remover because that was like an extra $15, and I got these when they were on sale, half off, and I got this and then an everyday color because I'm very confident. I've heard this formula is super good and I wanted an everyday color and a really incredible formula, so we did that. But yeah, we are gonna see how this performs. The color is really pretty. This is a very nice deep red. I really like it. I could see myself wearing this color pretty often. We are dried down. Ugh, not even a little bit of transfer. That's crazy. So now this is dried down. It does feel pretty drying, but matte lipsticks that are long wearing are gonna dry you out. That's just the realistic of things. So we are gonna go ahead and wear this for the day. It is, sorry, I forgot to tell y'all. Oh man, it ended up a little later than I hoped for. Wow. Okay guys, I got a better one. Make it go away. Y'all, technology hates me, I swear. That's just all there is to it. It's 10:30. Can y'all see it? No, because it's dying. I just want to show y'all the clock, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. 10:30. So we are gonna wear this all day. We are probably gonna try to give it longer than 12 hours, depending on how it holds up. But because of what I've heard about it, I actually want to try to give this like a really long time. Like I don't want to sleep in it, but I might. Don't let me lie to you. I'm super curious to see how long this will actually hold up without removing it. So we are gonna go about our day. We are gonna go grab my brother and head to Texarkana because it's time to go. We're late already. We gotta go get some food before we play some Pokemon. Mandatory. So we need to be there by noon. But yeah, that is it for right now. If it's 10:30, I'm gonna see y'all around 12. Probably with a picture of food. Yeah. See y'all in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, so it is 1:30-ish. That puts us 3 hours in. So far, so good. That's my brother. Hello. It's not faded. It's not bleeding. It does look a little weird where my lip is cracked, but that's normal. Pretty impressed. It hasn't really been transferring. Still pretty good. So far, your girl's impressed. All I've had so far is chicken nuggets and onion rings, so no big deal, but we'll see. We're at the park playing Pokemon right now, so I will check back with y'all in a couple more hours. Okay guys, so check-in number 2. I waited till after I ate, so it is 5:30. That puts us 6 hours in. So we're halfway through the wear test. I just had Mexican. The stuff's still looking pretty good. Corners are a little questionable, but not bad. It's performing amazing. This is living up to exactly what I hoped for. It's a little bit dry. It's not sticky, just dry, that's it. But it's a matte lip, so what you gonna do, right? So next check-in will be around 8:30. Hey guys, okay, so I think this is what check-in number 3. It is 8:30. No, it won't work. 8:30. Okay, so basically we haven't done anything else, but this still looks really good. Still not coming off. I'm impressed. Like, the edges are pretty solid. They're not bleeding too bad, except right in the corner, which is normal. I mean, I had quesadillas, right? The color's still solid. It's even pretty good on the inside. So, we're still impressed. 8:30 means that we are 10 hours? No, that's not right. 10 hours in, I guess? Because we're going to be done at 10:30. So, yeah, we're 10 hours in, and this still looks really good. Honestly, earlier, my brother even asked if I had, like, touched it up. Because he said after the Mexican food, it didn't look like I had even eaten anything yet. So, I'm impressed. That's a win so far. I will come back and check in at 10:30. Okay, guys. Final check-in. It is 11:43. So we're actually at 13 hours. I was on the phone, so we didn't get our check-in at 10:30. But now we got a 13-hour wear test instead of a 12. Isn't that a better thing, right? So it looks amazing. Still hasn't bled much, just on the corners. Lines are still looking good. We're gonna walk into some better light so we can see the color. And now I'm having to stand up, so that's fun. But basically, it still looks almost as good as when I put it on. I'm so oily though, like ignore my skin right now. But the lippie still looks flawless. Like, I would still wear this anyway. So we officially have a contender that has beaten our Kylie. It is slightly cheaper. These are $20 each. I think I forgot to tell y'all that at the beginning. But you can get them from Ulta or straight from Beauty Bakerie. And I actually got mine. They did a half off sale. So I got mine for $10, so you can watch for those. But this is super good. I am going to update in the description because according to their website, you need their remover. And like I said, I didn't order it. So I'll update in the description how hard this is to actually get off. I might insert a picture. Probably not. But I might of how hard this is to actually get off because I don't have a remover for it. So we're going to see. But yeah, this is by far the best of Lippie has performed, and I'm gonna have to get more colors. And honestly, I really hope they come out with more colors because they don't have like a huge selection. They do have all your staple colors, but they don't have a whole lot. So hopefully they come out with more colors because I'm really feeling this. Like, this is a dark red, and it still looks amazing. That's incredible. I mean, I even had Mexican food. What? Crazy. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. This is officially my new favorite lippie. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope this is helpful for someone who's trying to decide if they want these or not, because you want these. But yeah, bye you guys.